Navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Live Bitcoin update. All right, welcome. Welcome. Say hello. If you're open to it, let us know where you're coming at us from. I'm going to just be opening up with Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, just to kind of share with you a couple of my thoughts of where it's at right now, which is really I feel like it's very indecisive right now. It's not at this particular time, depending on, and remember, back up just 1 second, that there's basically 3 different types of trading styles. So, and how they benefit you. So, are you aware of the trading styles? Do you know about them? You don't have to join the academy to understand this type of stuff. But this is where the academy, of course, is where you can get your foundation and your study and your learning, because to get ahead in the financial markets, really, I feel like education really helps. It's probably not the only way, but it really helps. The I Am Academy offers a lot of education with regular stuff to learn, and then plus updated stuff constantly, right? So if you know what kind of trader you are, consider putting it in the chat. Are you a position trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalp trader? Are you a combination? Personally, I love all 3 of it. I have seen in my 2 to 3, well, probably now at least 3 years of study, there's so many benefits to different ones, and it's really fascinating, I feel like. I mean, just think about it for a minute. The position trader is really the one that doesn't really have to think about it very much. You have a full-time job, you're some kind of professional, you just save and invest maybe every time you get paid. You're not really thinking about timing the market. You believe in this particular asset, whether it's a stock or a digital asset or any kind of thing. You position trade. You're just buying into it every week or 2 or 3 or every month, and you're just holding for the long term. That is position trading. I feel like that's where most people are. And so you just want to be confident in what you're position trading in. Of course, that's sometimes kind of what I've seen is the trick, is being confident or feeling confident in what you're position trading in. So if you're thinking about the long run, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years down the road, how do you get confident in certain projects? Well, I feel like being around the experts in the academy has helped me to be confident in certain assets. For example, okay, I'm going to jump onto the internet here. I'm going to come back. Sometimes they want me to re-sign in. I'll re-sign in a second. So this is a free site right here. It's called CoinGecko.com, right? CoinGecko.com. And so it lists all of the digital assets. Now, if you're not familiar on just some of the basics, if you're new, now if you're already professional, you know all this. If you've been doing it for a while, you know all this. But if you're brand new, I'm feeling like I'm just trying to help the new person, because I'm kind of in the middle. I'm not super advanced. I'm more like beginning, intermediate. But this little website right here tells you a lot of things, and it's a free website. So if you look over here on the coins, over here, there's 11,176 coins. That means there's 11,176 like different little coins. You can buy any one of them. So that's the thing. How do you know which one to get when there's that many? And how do you stay on top of it? Well, that's why I feel like the academy is really brilliant. They also have recently came out with a top 30 list. Now think about that. A top 30 list. Now, take all the 11,000 coins for a minute. Let's just back up for a second. Take all the 11,000 coins. Some are going to be like, say, for example, Bitcoin is right here, number 1. Each coin is represented by its market cap. Like Bitcoin has right here, it says it right here, is public information, $737 basically $1 billion in market cap. Right now, there's 11,000 coins. So it goes from all the way, that's the one coin, and it goes all the way down to the 11,000th coin, right? And that'll have the lowest level of the market cap. Now, so if you break up the three, like the instructors have broken it up into three major categories: high market cap coins, mid market cap coins, and low market cap coins, right? So now think about it. They're all going to grow at different speeds depending on the quality of the project, right? But the teachers have picked out the top 10 high market cap coins, the top 10 mid market cap coins, and the top 10 low market cap coins. They've given us that information, and if you join the academy, we'll give it to you, and we're kind of building our own, kind of like your own portfolio, your own little fund, right? So imagine now, instead of just being involved in one project like Bitcoin, which is the number one current project, but we spread out over 30 coins. So over the next 2 or 3 years, over the next, hopefully a bull market, if we have that, some of the projects will increase 3x. Some will increase maybe 10x, 100x. Maybe we'll get 1,000x. We just don't know. And sometimes that's why when you selectively pick different things, you have it's going to up our odds, right? So that's crazy. So that's great. Now, when I taking a look at the charts, when I look at the charts on the Bitcoin chart and all that, I mainly just look at Bitcoin. But as this channel grows, I'm going to add in those top 30 coins, right? So I'm going to add in those top 30 coins that we're going to be looking at. So this right here, this is probably irrelevant to most of you, but this is Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, and it's right in the middle. It's right by that yellow line right here. It's really could go up or down. It could literally go either way at this point. It's not a good time for a scalp trade. Now, let's zoom out for a minute just to show you how. So that's scalp trading, right? So I don't feel like, for me, I don't like the looks of this for a scalp trade for me, right? Now let's look at the on the swing trade. Swing trade is every few weeks, right? So I'm definitely swing long right now. Look at this trend up right here. We definitely have a trend up. This is the Swipe Coin tool by the IM Academy, right? Now I'm going to go into the levels tool by the IM Academy. I'm going to open this up over here. We have access to all the assets, and you will too when you're a member. This is Bitcoin right here. I have a saved chart. Nope, that's not what I want to do. I have a saved chart I want to pull up. Maybe. Okay, that works. Okay. This is just another tool, and there are so many tools, and I haven't even accessed all the tools yet. I'm trying to get to them as best I can, but it's just like learning to fly a plane or something. It's a skill set to each tool. But this is Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. Not really what I was looking for. Let's back it up to the daily time frame. Yeah, so we'll look at the daily time frame. So this is where we're at on the daily, right? So this yellow, oops, it's kicking me out. So sometimes that happens sometimes. I think not sure what's going on with that, but let's see, I'll pull it up one more time. Sometimes when I have multiple tabs open up, I've seen that happen. Okay. One more time. Come on. Let's try this one here. So before I get kicked off again, I just want to zoom out to the weekly time frame. So this is the big picture right here. I know there's a lot of potential things that could happen. This is just my thought process right here, potential. But right now, this is where we're at right here. And this is on the weekly time frame. So these yellow bars are significant importance. If we go below that, it's significant to what I'm thinking. Zooming down onto the 1 hour time frame on this tool, I have the blue range above and below as a zone. So if we can break, I'm hoping that we break down currently. I would like to break down on the short term. But, there's different reasons, different strokes for different folks. But it doesn't matter what I want. You just play the cards that we get, right? But we're just watching. So right now, I basically have it trapped between this zone and that zone. And we're probably going to have to reboot here. Yeah, let me pull it up here real quick. So if you were just logging into your own account, this is what you would get right here. You automatically get this. You don't even have to program that. You automatically get this call right here. This is what's beautiful about SwipeCoin and the IM Academy, is that the system actually gives you calls. So just even if I was brand new novice, if this price range, the price is here now, which is by this yellow line, which is typically very indecisive at the moment. But if we broke down and closed below this zone, that would confirm that we're probably going down. This breaks up and closes above the idea, it would confirm that we're probably going up for a bit. It's fascinating how it just calls it out like that. So, and then +2, if you're in the academy, I'll show you one other thing real quick. The professionals call out ideas, right? So, and this was just more of a major idea, perhaps on the swing level, but they give you the time level here, like hour 1. It's almost like a scalp trading idea, kind of giving a scalp trading idea. And this was earlier today, and that basically they give you zones, and so they help you lay out everything so you can make your decisions based on what the professionals are calling out. All that you get a part of being with the academy. Now, one last thing before I let you go is that in the IM Academy, there's more than one academy. There's about 6 different academies. It's amazing. And I'm trying to get in as much involved as I can. I'm involved with 2 academies right now. But with the digital assets, if you're looking at the academy, you're looking for the DCX Academy. So the DCX Academy is what you'd be looking for, right? And it's okay. It just says my session's expired. But you're looking for the DCX Academy. So the link is going to be inside the description of the video. Also on the YouTube channel, the IM Academy link. All you have to do, if you have enough information to make a $175 decision, just join on and then let's connect. If you have some questions, message me. Let's talk. I'm very open to talk about things. And then we'll learn and we'll take trades together. We'll navigate this market together. Imagine how much fun this is going to be. I just want to show you one more thing on this page here. Right now, currently, in the whole marketplace, the market cap is 1.49 trillion, right? There's talks of 10 and 20 trillion total market cap in the future. And just, if you don't know what that means, it means consider getting involved one way or another, at least learning, but not foolishly. That's why it's good to be around professionals. In the IM Academy, we have over 100 different instructors that you can join live on their video classes, plus listen to pre-recorded content that's already lays out step-by-step simple things that you can learn. But then every week also they go live and you can join in, ask questions live of the teacher. That's so much better than a lot of the academies, like on YouTube and stuff like that. An individual YouTuber will have his own academy, maybe charge $100 a month for his own academy, but he's one person. Imagine having access to 100 different traders, different professionals trade differently, think differently. So you might relate to one coach over another. And with access to over 100 different instructors, I mean, you're just setting yourself up for success, I believe. And that's what we're doing, just trying to set you up for success. So that's going to be real. Let's see here, YouTube. It's going to be inside the description of the video. But just real quick on my channel, I think, yeah, you can just click right on the channel, the YouTube channel. Click the link right there. Boom. And then just follow the prompts. Join now. Look around. There's all kind of tools, all kind of stuff, right? So, all right. Appreciate your time and your energy. And let's get it. Remember that health is wealth. Remember that. That's very important. Our health is our wealth. Cash flow is king. We used to say cash is king. I had one of my mentors now says cash flow is king. We want to have that cash coming in, that cash flow, right? So health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen. We want to have that cash on hand. And credit is freedom. So think about that. Good credit gets you money cheaply when you're buying things, borrowing money, whatever you need, house, or anything, car, just even credit in general. But credit is freedom. It does offer a sense of freedom. So health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen. And credit is freedom. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Oh, and if you're looking for anything, any questions about trading, let me know in the comments and I'll address it. Okay.